Hey, it's Mike Pate, Mikey's Board, Mikey's Fest, greenglides.com, and I got a little tip for y'all. If your truck mount looks like this and you got no tachometer, spend just a few dollars on Amazon and boink. I put this on the other day. I think it was, I don't know, $6-7. I'll put the link below. But right now it's showing the hours, which are easily resettable. I just did an oil change, so it's going to make it nice and easy to keep track rather than doing the math. And you can clear that out every 75 hours. But what I like about it is it shows your RPMs. So here at elevation, I run mine just a wee bit higher than where it was set. Get a little more heat that way. Lets the engine breathe, I think. A little better, and definitely get more heat. All you gotta do is run the wire over to your whatchamacallit, your spark plug, for cripe's sakes. Wrap it around there 3 or 4 times and they're good to go. You do have to program it for the type of motor you have, and that's it. But with this type of variable throttle, it can go up or down and you can't really hear the difference, or at least I can't because I'm vortex deaf. But I've done too many jobs at 2600 where I should have been at my 3100 ideally. So check the link below. Spend a few minutes sticking that on. Got a little Velcro back there. It's battery operated, and nice little addition to keep track of what's going on with your slurp mount.